We're going upstairs. There's my girlfriend.
Why are there so many stairs?
Come on, babe.
Oh.
Don't trip. Oh, there's people still on there. They're actually coming here.
Hmm?
We're allowed to go up here, right? Wow, this is pretty high. I'm tempted to jump off. Like, that'd be hella tight. But I'd be stuck at the ending because I'd squash.
No, really? I'm scared.
This is sketchy. This is sketchy. Babe, what's up?
I'm gonna go.
Watch us like watch someone be like, get over there or something. Oh, there's security. You wanna go over there still? There's security right there. It's right there. You wanna stay right here? Let's see if my camera survives.
You're stupid.
Hi, babe.